text you right now, okay? Hey, so I'm gonna say, hey girl, with two L's at the end of girl, okay, with a smiley face. Do you want to hang out tonight? Maybe? I just sneezed. Ha, ha, ha. Anyways, let me know. And how is... Oh, I just think the snot came out my nose. Ew. I just sneezed again, and snot came. No, I'm not gonna say that because that's really embarrassing. But if somebody saw that, ew. And I just sneezed again! Exclamation point. Sorry. I'm getting off task. ... How is Owen? Question mark, exclamation point. I just sneezed. 2 Z's in the word sneezed again. What is wrong with me? I just sneezed again. I better go blow my nose. Exclamation point. Exclamation point. Sneezed again. Smiley face. Yay!